Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm going to be sharing a FARM Rio unboxing and a try-on haul of 3 dresses. I'm assuming that's what's in this box. I did a little bit of shopping, and 3 of the dresses that I recently ordered came from FARM Rio. I tried to order a 4th one from Saks Fifth Avenue, or Saks, whatever you want to call it, but they canceled it. They said that the dress was out of stock. So I just have these 3. Again, I'm assuming all 3 are in this box, and I'm gonna open them up together with you. We're gonna do this together, and we're gonna see them for the first time, and I'm gonna try them on straight out of the box, and we will see what they look like. So if you're interested in these dresses, then I hope you keep watching. So I'm just gonna lower this down so we can get a good look at what's in here. And just for reference, I'm wearing a shirt that I made myself with my Cricut. It just says Trust God and Chill, and my skirt is from H&M. I'll back up so you can see the whole thing, just in case you're interested. Okay, this is what everything looks like inside. I don't know if they put like a thing with my information on it. Okay, I'm only seeing 2 dresses. That's a problem. But here's the first one. This one I'm pretty sure is the, I don't know if it's on the tag. It's the Lily's Garden dress. It's called Lily's Garden. I got it in a size extra small. And here's the other one. So yeah, there's only 2 in here. So that means another video. That just means another video will be forthcoming with the 3rd dress. So here's the other one. And I got this one in a size medium only because the waist seemed like it didn't have much give in it, and I wanted to make sure it wasn't too tight. So I'm going to try both of these on and we'll see. So I am going to have to put something underneath this because it has cutouts on the sides. There's a cutout here, a cutout here, and then it's very low in the back. So I'm just going to put something under it and then we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so I have the first dress on. It took a lot of work to get this on. I'll just let you know, it has no zippers, no way to open it up to put it on. I struggled, and I'll probably struggle to take it off, but I love it. And I checked my email, so I'm going to be getting the 3rd dress tomorrow. So I'm going to film a second unboxing, and I'll make it a part of this video so you'll see all 3 dresses, assuming it does get here as it's supposed to. But I'll just show you a quick close-up of this dress here. And as I said, this is an extra small. It fits perfectly now that it's on, but it would be nice if there was some kind of zipper, something. There's like nothing, and there's no elastic. It's like you have to be at your exact size, and I had to put the dress over my head and then squeeze each arm in and kind of like shuffle it down over my head. So, and it's pretty thick. It's nice material. So here's how it looks around the arm. It has this scalloped edge there, and then the elastic. And here's some of the patterning. As you see, there's like a strawberry right here, some flowers. And again, this is the Lily's Garden dress. Has a scalloped neck. It has this tie here. So this is mine that's added. This is underneath. Otherwise, this would be a very low V neckline. And this string hangs down. It has these nice beads at the bottom. Very cute. Same thing with this sleeve. And again, the material is nice and thick. I don't know if that's great or not, because obviously it's a short sleeve dress. You probably want to wear this in the summer, so it's not very light and delicate. It's more of a nice thick cotton, but I don't anticipate it being too hot to wear, but this is how it's looking. And again, there's no elastic. It just has the same scalloped edge here around the waist, and then that same scalloped edge around each panel. So there's other panels that go all the way down, and then the bottom is just straight like that. So I will back up so you can see the whole thing, and then I'll go to the next dress. Something else I want to point out with this dress, I'll show it to you once I take it off, but in the shoulders there's like something in here that's kind of keeping the shoulders up. So I guess the style is to make sure that the shoulders are accentuated. But this is the shoulders a little up close. And now on to the second one. Okay, so this is what it has in the sleeves. This is how it looks. And right inside, the sleeve has this. This is what's keeping it up on the inside. All right, here is the second dress. This one has like knitting here. Almost like crochet. You can really feel the texture, the ridges, and the pattern. So I'm trying to get close up on that. It goes around the back, and then as you saw, the back kind of dips down, so I do have something under it. This is where the spaces are. It's a cutout, and then again, this is in a size medium, and I got the medium because, like I mentioned, it looked like the waist didn't have much give, and it's perfect. So this medium is perfect. The extra small is perfect. You kind of have to look at how the model is looking, and all the models are wearing like an extra small, so that's the only way I can make a determination on what size I think will fit me best. So far I think I've made probably 2 missed guesses, but everything else has been great. So again, this is fitting perfectly. There's no give in the waist, but this is how it is. It has this scalloped edge that kind of flips down all the way around, and it has the scalloped edge around here that goes all the way around too, comes down the back, and again that knitting is in the back, and the sleeves are elastic sleeves, short, nice. And the funny thing about this dress, this one actually has a zipper in the back. This one seems like you would have no trouble getting in and out of it because the opening is so wide, but this one does have a slight zipper and a clasp in the back. And you can see that this is like a triangle block pattern, and then the triangle pattern going down this way. And these are all little beads. All around the trimming is very tiny beads on both sides. Nice stripes. Stripes go all the way down the bottom. And then the other cute thing about the bottom is that it has this at the edge. So it has like a straight line and then the scallop right there. And it kind of looks like another layer underneath, but it is all one. So this one is like a thicker cotton as well. It's not quite as thick as the first one, but it's also has a little weight to it. Both dresses do not have a lining, but they are made out of nice quality material. So I'll step back so you can see this one, and then that'll be all for this, but I'll come right back and show you the third dress. Hey, what's up everyone? It's the next day and my third dress is here. But before I jump into the third dress unboxing, I just want to show the inside of this dress that I didn't notice at first. So this dress also has that extra piece on the inside that puffs out the sleeves. So this is the left shoulder, and then this is what's inside to hold it up. You can tell the quality, of course, based on the way it's made. So I just wanted to share how this looks on the inside. So this is the front of the dress, and then when you flip it back, this is the back of the dress. But do you see how the inside of the front still has like the material continuing on the inside, where you would think this is almost reversible? Because look, it even has this little panel that goes all the way around. It's almost like a little peplum style on the inside. I don't know if that's to like poof it out in the, around the waist as well, but it's just nice when the inside of the dress has as much care as the outside. So for this unboxing, I'm wearing this dress. It's from H&M, and then I have on some sandals that I purchased from Amazon. I will step back so you can see the full look, because I know, you know, if you're into fashion, sometimes you want to see what the person is wearing when they're filming, and sometimes, you know, some people don't share that. So I want to share everything. So if you're interested in whatever I might have on, or something that, you know, I want to make sure you know what it is and what it looks like and where you can find it. Here is the box. It just arrived today from FARM Rio. All of the FARM Rio dresses are made in Brazil, as far as I know. So we're gonna open this box and see what this dress looks like. Here it is. And I got this dress in a size small, so I'll go through all the features. Alright, so here it is. This is a very, very silky dress, and this has the word scarves in the title of the dress. Okay, it's called Graphic Scarves Chemise. So I think it's called scarves because of the softness of the material. It's really satiny and smooth. It has a full collar. I think this is a shirt dress style because it buttons, yes, all the way down, straight down. It has a tie at the waist. It's long sleeves, and it just has all these beautiful colors on it. So I'm just going to try this on right now, and then we'll see what it looks like. So here it is. It has a nice full collar. Now keep in mind, this is straight out of the box. I did not iron anything. This dress definitely needs ironing. I think I could get away probably with the first one that I tried on. The second one needed ironing. This one definitely needs to be ironed. But here are the buttons up close. They have a little ripple to them, and then same type of buttons on the sleeves or on the cuffs, and just buttons like that. And as you can see, it's full of patterns. This also has 2 pockets here, and these are actual pockets. And I think this is the first dress from FARM Rio that actually has real pockets on the sides. I don't have any dresses. I think this is dress number 10. I'm pretty sure I have 9 other FARM Rio dresses, and this is the first one that has pockets on the sides like this. And these little panels are like the flaps for the pockets. They definitely need to be ironed as well, but it's really nice because it's just different to have pockets. Of course, it does have the tie for the waist, and I just usually just do a simple knot, so I'm just gonna tighten that up. And as I mentioned, again, the material is very soft and very silky. It's not too thin, not too thick either, just a nice quality material. This is a midi length dress, and it feels like it kind of comes down longer on the side, so it like swoops up and then it's a little longer in the back. From what I can tell, I will step back so you can see the full dress, and then that'll be that. So that is all from me for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.